Hello, everyone. We welcome you all to the Masterclass 1 of Data Science Micro Internship Program. We have Dhaval Mehta sir today in our midst who will be taking the session. And before introducing him, I would like to make a few announcements. So I hope all of you are able to do your learning plan. All of you have registered on the platform, and all of you would be finishing and submitting the learning plan certificate by 25th of February, as discussed earlier. Sir would be taking the session, and I'm sure this is going to be an amazing session, a great session for all of you. We also have our team. We have Dipanshu with us, who would also be coordinating and based on all the queries and also anything that sir would share with us to be shared in all the groups. And all the students, those who are on WhatsApp, those who are watching on YouTube, we welcome you all. So this week we have this masterclass 1, and next week we would have masterclass 2. We will finish the form where you have to submit your learning plan certificate, and by the end of this week, 25th February. Obviously, after that we will share the Google form. Before that, let me just introduce Dhaval Mehta sir before he takes over. Sir, are you in the session? Yeah, give us 1 minute before I introduce him. I just want to ensure that he's here in our midst. Yes, sir is already there. Uh, yeah, all right. So let me introduce Sir Dhaval Mehta, sir. So he has taken amazing sessions in the past with us, and so he is a professor currently with the Department of Business and Industrial Management in Surat, Gujarat. And apart from that, he is doctorate in management, and currently he works as professor, Department of Business and Industrial Management, Veer Narmad, South Gujarat, Gujarat University, Surat. He has more than 20 years of experience, of postgraduate teaching experience over and above the industrial experience that he has. And he has experience with multinational finance companies as well. Sir has also published his own book. He has published more than 40 research papers, and he is proficient in so many skills. I think even if we'll talk about a few of it, it would be less. But Sir has already taken session on data analytics with us. He's proficient in machine learning, in Python, in SPSS, in R. And today he's going to take he also has his YouTube channel as well, which is Dhaval Mehta Sir. Dhaval Mehta, please go and check out that channel as well. That has amazing resources related to this topic as well as many other topic. Earlier, he also took a great session on data visualization for which we had great feedback as well. And let's welcome Dhaval Mehta, sir. And over to you, sir, for the next till 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So, yeah. Okay, just 1 minute. Sir, I have already made you co-host. Are you there, sir? Yeah, please wait for a few more minutes and sir will take over the session.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So thank you, Anjali ma'am, for this introduction, and we will start the session. My first question to all of you is: have you all downloaded R by watching my video? If yes, then please write in this box. Please write in the chat box that you have done it. Please write down yes here. I want the answer from all of you. Very nice. Very nice. So it means that you want to learn R. If you don't have the PC, I cannot help you. If you don't have the PC, I cannot help you. Okay. Now give your 100% attention here. I'm sharing a screen with you. Be with me. All of you. Be with me. Okay. Sharing the screen. Get ready to learn R. Is the screen visible? Please confirm. Is screen visible? Yes. Okay. Hmm. Now listen carefully. You will not write anything unless and unless. I have already shared the screen. Anjali ma'am, is the screen visible? Say yes or no. Anjali ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is
Hello.
visible. Yes, sir, it is visible. And Dipanshu is also there from our team. So, like, if you want to confirm anything, because he would be sharing all the data to the groups. So, you can maybe take
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Now don't write anything in chat box and give your 100% attention here. Okay. Now when you will say R, so R consists of two parts. One, the R console, which is this thing. Okay. Let me show you. The R basic, which will be something like this, R64. You don't have to run that part. What you will have to activate is R, okay, and run this R Studio. Once you will do this, you will get this type of interface. All those who are able to run it, write down done in the chat box. Quick, write down done. That you are able to get this type of face of R. Please confirm that you are able to get this type of face of R. Done. Please write in the chat box. No, if others are able to listen carefully, then my voice is not lagging. Is Anjali ma'am, there is a problem in voice? Is it jarring? Hello, organizers, is voice jarring? Is clear?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, fine. Now, again, pay attention. Again, pay buffering in the voice. Okay, so let me do some changes, and if it is clear, then we'll proceed further. That is buffering, sir. Okay. Just a minute, Anjali ma'am, I'm joining again. I'm joining again. Wait a minute. Because there is, if there is a buffering, wait a minute. I'm joining again. Okay, is my voice clear now, all of you? Is my voice clear? Manjesh, Prabodh Mondal, is it clear now? Okay. Sorry for inconvenience. I'm sharing a screen again with you, all of you. Get ready. Now you will not write anything. Please don't write anything, okay? There are 500 students and you will have to listen to my voice very carefully. When I say that write something in the chat box, then only write, okay? All 500 will just recall my voice. Now let's understand. R will have 4 window panes. It may be possible that you may be only able to see 2 window panes, but you will have to activate 4 window panes together. How we can do it? See on your right hand side. Here, you will have a maximize and minimize button. Okay. If you will do this, the window pane will drop to the lower bottom again, right? So please, on right hand side, make sure that you are having 2 window panes active. Is it done? Now write in the chat box a small Y only, nothing else. If you are able to get 2 window panes on right hand side, small Y, only small Y. 700 students will listen to my voice, nothing else. Okay. Small Y. If you have not installed R, I cannot help you. If you have not installed R, I cannot help you. The instructions were given clear cut. Now let's proceed further. Be with me. Left hand side, I also want the 2 window panes more. So there is a plus button here. Okay. Click here and activate R script. So the 2 windows will appear 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done. Please write down yes if you are able to open on left hand side the 2 window panes. Small Y only. Right? Is it clear? Shall I proceed further? Right. Now don't write any messages. Please don't write any message. Let's understand this. Whatever command which you write here, please don't write any command, just I'm giving you the instructions. Whatever command which you write here, you'll be able to save this script file for your future reference. Whatever command you write here, it will not be saved. It will be in the temporary memory. And therefore, you should never write the command here. You should always create the scripts. So this is known as the script window. This is known as a console window. This is the environment, and this is the place where plots are generated. Okay, where plots are generated. We'll start directly with the graphical representation of the data. Don't worry, you will be able to do it. Okay, you will be able to do it if you pay 100% attention here. Now, this is a script which I have written. Okay, let me copy the script in the Word file so that you can understand what we are going to do. Don't worry, I'll be sending the command line to you. Don't worry at all. And you'll be able to do it. Just a minute. Okay. Now just see carefully. Please see carefully. I want to enter the data in which there are 8 participants. Okay. So I'm creating the ID. Now the left hand side is a name. You remember left hand side as liberty. You are free to write anything on left hand side. You can even write your name. The command will run. Right hand side, R is a rule, is a command, right? Now we want to enter 8 rows. C is for the command. And this is the sign of assignment that is something like equal to. So what I'm saying is ID, there are 8 people. Okay. The second line is that the gender of these 8 people. So for the first, the gender is male. Second, female. Third, female. Fourth, male. Fifth, male. Sixth, female. Seven, male. Eight. Okay. How to download our studio? Kalyani Jewelry. Now the time has gone. I cannot discuss this thing. Just pay attention on this lecture, right? And another thing is when the lecture gets over, you can refer the recording, how to download it, that you can do later on. Just pay attention on the lecture. Now, another thing which you have to do understand is that whenever there is a text, it is always to be kept in the inverted commas. Numbers, not necessary. Only for text, the inverted commas are necessary, right? The next variable which we are entering is age. Age of 8 people, weight of these 8 people, height of these 8 people, their cholesterol levels, and income. Okay, and income. So what does a C mean? C means combined. Pius Dabas, it's a combine. Okay. Now just again pay attention. I'll be sending this to you. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. You will paste it. Whatever command which I am sending, you will paste it here. Okay. Now I want to run this. It is not necessary that the cursor should be blinking at the end. Anywhere your cursor is blinking, then also you can run the command. Okay. Now let's understand how will I run it. Any command which I'll run, which I want to run, it can be done with the help of Control plus Enter. Or you can press Run tab here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is an hashtag. Hashtag means that it understands that this is just a piece of information which you want to incorporate in your script. This is not the command line and it will not give you an error. Okay. So left hand side is a liberty. Right hand side is a rule. I'm waiting not, it's a comment. Yeah. Durgesh Nishad it's a comment. Now, after entering all this, I want to create the data frame. This social data is a name given by me. I can write my name here also on left hand side. Remember, left hand side is a liberty, right hand side is a rule. So I want to create the data frame. The command line is data.frame ID. Make sure that whatever wordings which you are using here, they are same as this ID, gender, age, weight, height, cholesterol, income. So just see the magic which it generates. 1, 2, and it has created the data frame. Now I'm sending the command line to you, right? Pay attention that most of the times students directly run line number 11 and they don't get anything, and that's the error which is given. What you have to do, you have to keep your cursor on line number 1, run, 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 and this is the thing. This is the social data which should be generated. This is your success. I'm copying this command into the chat box. We don't have to use C in this data frame. No, you don't have to use the C in this data frame because data.frame is a command directly. I am sending this to you. And as soon as it is done, let me see who is the student who completes the coding first. So it is a fastest finger round. Start. You have to simply write down done. How to get the lower left window again? Lower left window again. You press on this plus sign and it will get the R script and you'll be able to do it, right? Done. Perfect. So it means that 700 participants are listening this lecture very carefully. Keep all the distractions aside. Keep all your mobiles aside. I can understand that you must be watching from the mobile. and listen this lecture very carefully. Another thing is you all want to learn data science. Data science without statistics, you will not be able to learn. So side by side, keep your concepts clear of the data science. Then only you will be able to learn R and Python. The basic pillars of machine learning, basic pillars of artificial intelligence and data science, the roots are in statistics. Refer your concept of statistics. Okay, let's proceed further. Let's proceed further. You all have got the output. Now don't write anything. Now don't write anything. Okay? Don't write anything. I can understand. Now, why R is necessary? I'll give you the reason for it also, that why it is necessary to learn R. The first thing, the first command line which we are going to run is attach the social data. By running this command, your data frame, your command lines becomes very, very simple. So attach the social data. The success of this workshop is that when you accept the challenge that, sir, we will write the command on my own, that is the success of this workshop. Okay, I am sending the command line. Please run it. Please run it. Attach social data. Everything is small. There is no command in R which is having A capital. Yes, Piyush Dabas, I knew that you are going to have it. The run attach social data. Now, this is not an error. When you get this thing, the following objects are masked by global environment. This is not an error. It is not an error. No need to worry. Right? No need to worry. Shall I proceed further? Done? Very nice. Okay. It's really nice that 726 students have joined from all over the country. Very nice. Okay, let's proceed further. Get ready for the next challenge. So all of you must be playing the Candy Crush and you want the higher and higher levels. Okay. The next level, which is coming up on your screen, is we want to have a plot of it. Okay. We want to have the plot of, write down, write with me. Very simple. Plot. W is capital. Why I'm using capital? Because in my original data, I have entered weight. See the spelling carefully. It will auto-generate. It will give you the prompting. Activate the prompting, weight, and cholesterol. Again, it will do the prompting in pink color. Pink color is the thing which is entered by us. Don't write any spelling which mismatch. Don't write any word which mismatch with the original data frame. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Now, run this command. On right hand side, your graph is ready. Done. All those who are able to clear this level 2, write down done. There is an error, social data, object social data not found. Tanya Verma, the reason for it is you have not run the line number 12, attach social data. Run it, your error will be rectified. Tanya Verma, are you through? Done. Okay. So I hope you are all enjoying the sessions. Sir, could you please send the script once again? Sure, I'll send it. I am sending the script once again. Abhay Saxena, attach social data. No, you are not running it. Abhay Saxena. Run attach social data. It will not give you any error. Okay. Now, sir, I cannot copy the code from the chat box. That is the problem related to your system. All others are able to copy it. What does the attach function do? Attach functions. Okay, we have circulated in WhatsApp group also. Use the bus. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now nobody will write anything. Stop. All of you, please stop. Don't write anything. Sagnik Day, don't worry. I will clear your problem. Wait, I will clear all the problems one by one. Don't write anything. I have understood that there is an error coming. Now don't write anything. Okay. All those who are getting this type of messages, just a minute. All those who are getting this type of messages, that error in the plot. The reason for this is very simple. Possibly your screen is not having the enough space to plot anything, and that's the reason it gives the error figure margins too large. So what you will have to do, you bring it in the center, bring this thing in the center, and run the command line again. Your error will be gone. This is the first. This is the first rectification of the problem. Now the second one, attach. We started learning R when R was only 1. Now during those days, let me talk about those days. In those days, if I wanted to run this command, okay, so I always have to give the reference that weight atomic operator, that is a dollar sign, that weight is located where? So I will say that the weight is located in the social data frame. Okay. Where cholesterol is located? It is located. Please don't write anything. You don't write anything. I'm just giving you the reason why we are writing attach. Where cholesterol is located? It is located in social data. But once the attach command was introduced, we no longer require to write these references and our life has become easy. Is it clear? Now let's proceed further. Run help and plot command. Help, plot. On right hand side, it will give you the arguments. Click on the first one. It will show you the entire syntax of plot. Is it showing? Say yes or no in the chat box. Only small y. Write down help, plot, run it. Any command which you write, you have to it can be run with the help of control enter or by pressing Y. Done. Done. So things are going. Okay. Right. Now these are known as arguments. Okay. These are known as arguments. R is so flexible that you can go on entering the arguments. Now let's see. Let's see. It's just like you are writing an English language. Okay. Keep all the distractions away. Give your 100% attention here. See, I want to add one argument in which I want to give the main title to this graph. No, not happening. You have to write help plot and then it will run. See, I want to give the main title to this. So this is the end. This is the end of the line, comma, enter, main. Just wait a minute. Main equal to, right? And the main title which I want to give is IBM CA initiative. Okay, IBM CSR initiative, right? Press Control Enter and just see on your right hand side. It has given you the main title. I just went on the help page to show you that what the entire syntax looks like. Please run this command. If you're not able to do it, I'll definitely send the code. What you have to do, comma, main title is equal to IBM CSR initiative. Is it done? Please confirm. Just write down Y. Small y. Very nice. So out of 700 people, almost 300 are able to clear the things very nicely. Done? Is it simple? Okay. Now let's proceed further. Again, 100% attention here. I will zoom in so that you can view properly, right? I will zoom in so that you can view properly. Okay, just see. Now I want to give the subtitle, comma, again, comma. All commands end by comma. Enter subtitle. Subtitle is, let's say, uh, engineering students. Engineering students. Enter and see the subtitle has appeared. Just see, engineering students. Done. Very nice. Rahul Gupta, I will send the code, but please take the challenge. Okay, please take the challenge. If you can play Candy Crush, then this is nothing. This is just very simple. I'm sending the code to you. Okay, let's proceed further. I want to color these circles. Okay, I want to color these circles. So again, comma, color, COL, color. You can pick up 1 to 10 any number. Let's write 3. Control, enter. Control plus enter. And see, now it is a green color. Let's pick up 5. Control, enter. Con 2. Control, enter. It's a red color. Please do it. Please do it. Done. Very nice. So Kirtana Reddy is the fastest finger first. He is the winner of the fastest finger first. Done. Come on, students. You should be very, very fast. You should be very proactive. It is not difficult. Done. Okay. Are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready for the next challenge? Okay. Get ready. I want to change the legend, change the icons of this. Enter, comma, PCH equal to some number. Uh, let's say 3. PCH 3. And see this icons, it will change. Okay. So 1 to 25. From 1 to 25, you can pick up any number and see these icons. Okay. Do it. PCH. Done. Okay. So shall I proceed further? Yeah. So somebody is saying that PCA 9 is a solid circle. Okay. Let's check it. PCH 19 is a solid circle. Control enter. Perfect. It's perfect. Now see, again, pay attention. Please pay attention. I'm getting a blank screen. Amlan Bhaiwa, I cannot help you in this matter. Which software you used here? This is an R software. Okay. Now please pay attention here again. In this command line, you have written a number, but I can specify the color also. Whenever I use text, I will have to use double inverted commas. So red color. So I want the red color. I can do that way also. Please write it. PCH 99, so C. Okay. Saket Kumar, I told you that you have to use only 1 to 25. If you cannot use 99. Let's see what it gives. It's C. Okay. Good. Saket Kumar, good. So 1 to 25 is a designated. Okay. Shall I proceed further? Say yes or no. Done. So this is a plot which is generated. Now let's proceed further. I want to insert the text in it. Okay. Please give your 100% attention again. Now don't write anything. Can I give icon itself? Yes, you can give the icon itself. That is coming in the, that's coming later on. That's coming later on. Now please focus yourself here. All of you, please focus yourself. See, R consists of hard coding, moderate coding, and R is also having one GUI based interface, which is R commander, which I have discussed in my which I have discussed in my YouTube channel. Okay, see carefully. I want to enter some text. Weight, cholesterol, CX is the size of the text which I am entering, and this is the position. POS is for the position, color black. What is this position? Let us understand. Be with me. Please be with me. Let's assume that this is your icon. Position 1 is this. So the text will be generated here. If I write position 1, position 2, position 3, and this is position 4. Yeah. Let me run the command. Let me run the command. The first one. It will give me the numbers. Now, what are these numbers? 1, 2, 3. These numbers are related to this thing. See, our graph is of weight and cholesterol. So for the first participant, weight is 80 and cholesterol is 15. For second, it is 64 and 80. Okay. Next command. Text, weight, cholesterol. Give me the gender also. So generate gender. Position 2. So it will be generated here. The size. CX is for the size. And keep the color of this, let's say, instead of black, keep it red. Okay. Run it. It gives me the gender. Third, give me the weight, size, position 3, color blue. Run. Next is color green. Okay. So I know you all must be very curious to run this command. I'm sending the command line to you. Copy it and let me see which student is the fastest finger first. Okay. Let me see which is the fastest finger first. Done. Please do it. Sir, position of what? Position of the legend which I am inserting. The position of the legend which I am inserting. Are it? Still I have not pasted the command and you are writing done. Are you working or not? All of you. Are you doing it or still I have not pasted it and you are writing done? Done. I have typed to command while you were executing. Oh, very nice. CX is used for the size. Okay. CX is used for the size. Okay. Don't worry. I'm explaining it. Please be with me. See, just see carefully. What is CX used for? Just see carefully. If I make this, let's say 2, and just see what happens here. Right? So CX is the size of the text. Right? CX is the size of the text. Now let's proceed further. Let's proceed further. Done. I will again run plot, cholesterol, and weight again because my graph has become clumsy, right? I want to clean it again. So I'll run the command plot, cholesterol. Now there is one new sign which has appeared, which is tilde. This is known as tilde. All of you just see on your keyboard, left hand side, below the escape button, on the top, there is a sign of tilde. Can you see this? Can you see this? It's tilde. Okay. Normally, it is used when we want to specify that your cholesterol is a dependent variable and weight is an independent variable. Run it, and you will again get the same graph, right? You will again get the same graph. Control V, run it, and I'll just take a break of 1 minute. Please run it. Please run it. Okay, we are starting again. I'm getting circular coordinates now after using. It's fine. It's fine. You are getting circular. It's fine. Now, there is something, a concept of filtering the data. Okay, we want to filter the data. In this plot, we are having the dots of male and female. We want to segregate it. Okay, and we will have to understand the command line. Don't worry, it is very simple. Just pay attention here again. Now, the rule of the game, that is, the R has got some rules. Commands are always followed by round bracket. Data sets and variables are followed by square brackets. Please write it down. Please write down this rule. Okay, let's proceed further. Plot. Okay, plot. We are writing the command plot weight, cholesterol tilde weight. Right. Now we only want to plot the points of male. We will use a different PCH. We will use a different color. Okay, how we can use it? So now I will write down points. Okay, what will I write? I'll write points. Just pay attention. Cholesterol. Now cholesterol is a variable. Okay, so it will be followed by square bracket. I am giving the instruction to R that only pick up the points 2 times equal to, only pick up the points for male, bracket over, square bracket over, tilde. Okay, just I'm repeating this. Again, weight, square bracket, gender, equal to male, double inverted commas, bracket over, give the color, whatever color which you want to give, and give the PCH. Okay. And round bracket over. I want different color for female. So what I'll do, I'll copy this command and I'll incorporate some changes. So here I'll write down female and here also I'll write down female. I'll change the color. I'll change the PCH and let's see it's working or not. Get ready. See the command line. It's same points, cholesterol, gender, equal to. Why I'm using equal to? Because we are filtering the data and that's the reason we are using 2 times equal to male, weight, equal to main title, weight versus cholesterol, X lab is X label, Y label, color blue, PCH 16, run, just see the male, run the second one, female. Okay. I'm sending a command line. Let's see who is the fastest finger first again. Done. Very nice. What is X lab and Y lab? X label. Okay. X lab is X label. I want to do X label and Y label. So let's say I can write any name here and this is X label and this is Y label. Right. So all of you, sir, if we change the PCH value, nothing will happen. Mohammed Saif Ali, you can change the PCH value and see the results, what you get. Change the PCH value. Okay. So next challenge, get ready. I want to pass a line. So there can be, the aggregate line for the entire data set. There can be a line for male and there can be a line for female. Everything remains same. AB line, linear model, cholesterol weight. Just see. 1, the line for the male. 2, line for the female. 3, get ready. Let's run it. Done. And a linear model. Linear model. We are passing a linear line. What does tilde mean? Tilde means that we are assigning that it's a dependent and independent variable. That's the reason we are using it. Clear? Okay. Next challenge. Get ready. Get ready. Done? Now stop. All of you. Sir, X lab, we take any name, sir. Zoa Fatima, but see, X label, what is the thing which we have taken on X-axis? That name only we will give. No, why we will give any other name, Zoa Fatima, right? We will give the name because on X-axis we have taken weight and therefore we are giving the name X label as weight. Okay, get ready for the next challenge. Now we want to create the bar plot and I'll create the new data frame. Okay. In this data frame, we are having ID, weight, gender, a person is smoking or not, having a tumor or not. Name of the data frame is my data, data.frame. You can run the entire, all these commands together. What you will have to do, just select it and press run. in one go, and all the commands will run. Get ready. What is line denoting? Line denoting that we are passing a linear line. This is known as a regression line. It's known as a regression line. That's the reason I always tell to the people that understand statistics first, then only go for data science. So we give the training all over the country for data science. Done? Okay. Done? All of you have done it? Please confirm. Okay, stop. All of you stop. Don't post any message. Don't post any message. Stop. Don't post any message. Again, listen carefully. It's a new data which we have entered, and therefore we will have attached my data again. What is use lines? What is use lines? Where is the use lines? What is the usage of these lines? To understand the relationship, we are giving a regression. We are running a regression equation on it. That is the advanced level that we'll see later on. At present, focus here. Attach my data. Now see, this is a left-hand side. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Left-hand side is Liberty. I can write my name also. Then also the command will run. See, 1, 2. Okay. But right-hand side is a rule. You cannot take any liberty on right-hand side. Now, what we are trying to do here is, we want to count that how many people are smoking in this 7. So this is table is a command. Count table smoking 1, 2. Now I'll convert this into percentage. How can I do it? Count divided by total 7 into 100. Done. Done. I'm sending the command line. If you get the percentage, please write down done. So there is an advanced class for also for this. I'll give you some homework, some assignment, and you will have to complete it on R. You can definitely do it. Okay, challenge yourself. This video recordings are there. My YouTube videos are there. Please challenge yourself to write the command line. Okay. Now see carefully. Stop. Now nobody will post anything. I'm writing a command. All of you write with me. Bar plot. Please write bar plot. Please write it. Bar plot into bracket percent. We have created percent, not percentage, percent. Control enter. And on right hand side, your graph is ready. Is it ready? If you want to maximize it, you may be getting this type, a small one. Maximize it, maximize the window, and you will get the large graph. Got it? Got it? Please confirm. Okay. Now see the flexibility which R gives. Okay, see the flexibility which R gives. Be with me. It's very interesting that now nobody is getting an error. Okay, because you have understood how R is working. See, I want to color this, comma, because the command line is getting over. Enter. color equal to 2. Control enter. Done. Coloring is over. You can pick up 1 to 10 any lines. Well, sorry, 1 to 10 any colors you can pick up. Done. Ready for the next challenge? Ready for the next challenge? Doing. So I'm getting percentage not found. Error. Uh, just check. Have you run all the commands? Did you got this percentage? If you have not got it, run from here. The person who is not getting percentage error, run from here. You will not get an error. The following objects are masked from my data. That is not an error, Saket Kumar. Don't worry. That is not an error. No need to worry. The following objects are masked. No need to worry. That is not an error. No need to worry. That is not an error. Gayanthin, your person not found because you are not running from count. You are directly running person, and that's the reason it's giving an error. Okay, let's proceed further. Get ready. All of you get ready. I want the different colors in both the bars. See carefully on the screen. See carefully. I will use the C combine round bracket after 2, comma, 3 round bracket over of the first one, second one, right? This cross sign should disappear. In the last, we are having the round bracket 2 times. Why? Because this is the round bracket for this command, and this is the overall round bracket. Run, 2 colors different. What is C for? C is for combine. Done. Done. Okay. Could you provide statistics syllabus? Yeah, that I'll provide later on. You should be clear with the regression. Yeah, you can write that also. Color. No, Saket Kumar, wait. See, Saket Kumar wants to write the color. Can we enter this way? Yes, Saket Kumar. But it's not showing the command. Okay. So if you want to specify the colors, how we can do it? Write down red, then blue. This way you will have to enter. Okay. If you want to write the color. Is it clear? Let's proceed further. Now, in between these two round brackets, comma, enter, enter. Write down density, write down density, 45. And now your bar chart has converted into stripped chart, density 45. Where is the table? Where is the table? What is the table do? This counts how many people are smoking. Table is a command to count how many people are smoking, yes or no. Raja Kumar, if you have raised hands, whatever you put in the chat box, I am monitoring it. Okay. I answer all the queries one by one. Run density equal to 45. Now you are having a stripped chart. What is density? To convert the bar chart into stripped chart. Okay. Listen carefully now. There is a question for all of you. I want the different density for no and different density for yes. Can anybody write the command here? We are giving count after count command because we want to generate. The count. Very nice. Piyush Dabbas, Suhani, Prakruti. Very nice. All of you. So all of you have understood how this R is working. So it will generate a different density for both of them. Right. Write it down. C 30, comma 45, round bracket over. Just see. Done. So you must be able to do it. It's very simple. Done. Okay. Now I want to change the angle of this. I want to change the angle of this lines, right? I want to change the angle of this lines. So again, between these two round brackets, comma, angle, 0. For the first one, keep the 0 angle. And for the second, keep the 90-degree. And just see the changes which happen on the right-hand side. Done. Yeah, fine. Yeah, R can do the amazing things. It can also create the simulations. It can create the games. So the next happening thing in this in your career is R. You must be aware about Python. But R is more used in academics and in industry because it's an open source. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, get ready, all of you. Next, get ready, all of you. I want this vertical bar chart to be converted into horizontal, comma, horis equal to true. T is for the true, and your graph will change. Horis equal to done. Uh, Organizers, is my voice jarring? Is my or things are clear? Hello, organizers. Object true not found. Use singular. Use T and use T capital. Hello, am I clear? Hello, is my voice clear? Hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
is clear? Voice is clear?
Uh, yes, it's clear.
Yeah, fine. Let's proceed further. Let's
It's
proceed
breaking
further.
a little. Uh, can
Yeah,
you please
it
check
was. It was.
the network? Sometimes it's breaking.
Okay. Let's proceed further. It's all inaudible. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes,
Still
sir. It's
breaking.
clear now. It's clear now.
T is true. T is for true. Or is true. Or is true. Okay. Get ready. I want to give the border to this graph. So, comma, border. Okay. I want to give the black border. So I can specify number 1. Let's say 1 black border. Or I want to give the red border. So I write this way also red. Just see the border. Red border has appeared. Done. Done. Sir, so it's a problem. There's all other oh, sir, it's lagging. Okay. All of you, please don't disconnect yourself. I will immediately join again. Don't disconnect yourself. Understand? I understand. Please don't disconnect. I'm joining again.
Students, sir will join again in a while. So please stay on the call.
Okay, I have joined again. Is my voice clear now? All of you, please confirm. Is my voice clear now?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Sharing a screen with you, all of you. Kindly give me the rights to share the screen.
Anjali, can you please make sir co-host so that he can share the screen?
Should I share the screen? I'm not allowed to share the screen. Kindly give me the rights.
Sir, please wait a while. Uh, we'll give the access.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am here, but since Anjali is the host, so I'm trying to get the host power back so that I can make you the co-host.
Okay, meanwhile, I'm sending a link of my WhatsApp group. That is, we organize the data science workshops all over the world, right? So just see in the chat box, it's a WhatsApp channel, right? It's a WhatsApp channel. Kindly give me the rights. Hmm. The name of the channel is Dhaval Mehta. Write it down. Dhavalmehta. Dhavalmehta. You will get the playlist for different softwares. Dhavalmehta.
Master, you are the co-host now. You can share the screen.
Yeah, so this is my channel, Dhaval Mehta. You can go in my playlist, right? Where you will get the tutorials on machine
हाँ
learning
हो गया हो
softwares,
गया हाँ जी
machine learning
हाँ
softwares.
हो गया मैंने लीव करके दोबारा ज्वाइन करा था तो
Ma'am,
उसमें ऑप्शन आता है रिक्लेम
ma'am, hello. Your mic is on. Now the tutorials for Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Nime, uh, Jamovi, SPSS, Python. Here it is. There is an entire playlist for data scientists, data science, data analysis using R and R Studio. Uh, you can join my channel. Just a minute, don't leave. We are going to resume the class. You can join my WhatsApp channel by this QR code, right? So that you get the notifications of my workshops. This is the YouTube channel. You can be in touch with me. So this is my number, right? You can also join me on WhatsApp channel. This is a QR code and this is a link by which you can join. Moreover, you can also find my book if you want to learn about data science. Then you can also find my book, Data Analysis using R on Amazon. You will find my book. The book has been written in such a way. This book has been written in such a way that the first chapter of this book and the tutorial, which is there on the YouTube, they are same. So you can use the book, you can see the code in the in the YouTube tutorial, and you can enjoy it. So this is the book, Data Analysis Using R, available on Amazon. Okay, let's resume the lecture again. Let's start the lecture again. Now, one more command line, comma, LAS. Just it's a name just given. And pay attention to these numbers. Okay. Pay attention to these numbers and pay attention to yes and no. When you write one, nothing will happen. But when I write two, these numbers will flip. Okay. When I write three, this yes and no will flip. Okay. Please do it. Please do it. Done. Error and contrast. TMP value. Contrast can be only factors with two levels. You have entered wrong command. I'm sending the command line. Please run it again. This error will be gone. You'll not get this error. Copy. Control V. Please run this command line. Okay, let's proceed further. Now create the another data frame that is counts. In previous case, we had only smoking, but counts. So do the cross tabulation of gender with smoking 1, 2. So how many females are smoking? Yes or no? How many males are smoking? Yes or no? Right? Let's proceed further. Let's run it. 1, 2. And now we will generate the bar plot of this. Got it? I'm sending the command line to you. If you get it, just write down done in the chat box. What is LAS for? LAS is for flipping. LAS is for flipping x-axis and y-axis legends. Done. Please write down done when you get this. Done. A command I have already sent. Wait. Again, I'm sending. Wait a minute. Is it available now? Check. Is the command available now? Check. Done. What is horizontal for? Horizontal is for making the chart horizontal. Yeah, your graph looks like a Russian flag. Okay, fine. Now see the amazing things which R can do. Just write down grid, round bracket. Your graph will be in grid. Okay, your graph will be in grid. Create the mosaic plot. Run. It can create the mosaic. I'm sending the command line. Run the mosaic plot. And there is only one command after this is there is only one command and then see what R can do. Why we are saying that R is the next future. Run it. Okay. After you will have to run it. Keep your cursor here, run, run, then the error will not come. You must be running directly counts and that's the reason it gives you the error. Will the lecture will upload YouTube, sir? Even if it is not uploaded, Durgesh, don't need to worry. Go on my YouTube channel, go in the graphical representation of the data. you will get the same chronology of the lecture which I have conducted today. Same chronology. Moreover, it is also uploaded on YouTube. No need to worry. Right? So if you want to be data scientist, go through all the 22 tutorials of it. Okay, let's proceed further. Now we will generate the pie chart. See the command line. See the command line of the pie chart. Pie, count, color, density, angle, border, radius of the pie chart. So needless to say anything, now you can have a pie chart. Uh, R is much better than Python because R is having 7,000 libraries. Right? R is everywhere. R can play music. R can do paintings. No, I'm not joking it. I will just show you what R can do. Are you getting the pie chart? Okay. Now, just pay attention and you don't have to do anything. Just see what R can do. Okay. This I already discussed in my YouTube channel, what R can do. There is one library, ggplot2. Now you will not write anything in anywhere. Please don't write anything. Please don't write anything and see the power of R. There is one library, ggplot2, which is considered to be very powerful library. See the types of the charts which it generates on right hand side. Bar chart, histogram, right? Wait a minute. Please don't write anything. With explanation, I have given everything. Just go on seeing what it can do. Okay. Now, more powerful than this is the library diagraphs. Please don't write anything. Please don't write anything. Just see library diagraphs, right? It can filter the data dynamically. Now, see on your right hand side, which you will have never imagined. It can create the simulations in the graph. Just pay attention on your right hand side. I hope you can see the simulation. Say yes or no in the chat box. Just say, the best software on the earth cannot create this. This is the power of R. Why Python is not used in most data science? Why not R? Why Python is used? R is having 7,000 libraries. It is more underestimated, or rather, it is nobody knows about its power. Right? Now see one more thing. It gets connected to GPS. Wait a minute. It gets connected to GPS and just see what it can do. It can give you the maps. Wait a minute. Don't leave. There is one package, eCharts 4R. See the kind of the charts which it can make. Just see on your right hand side. Rose chart, God chart, polar charts, liquid field charts. Just wait a minute. Don't leave. And just see on your right hand side. This is the power of R. I hope now there is enough reason to make you understand what R can do. Is it clear? Right? Let's proceed further. Yes, I'm going to integrate with the dashboard. No need to worry. Yes, you can insert this in other softwares. Okay, let's see. Sunburst chart. You'll have to wait. It can create the images in the chart. The height of the Kualanga temple and Kilimanjaro, sorry, a mountain, both the mountains. Okay, one more, the last one. What R can do? The last one. See, I can do the paintings. Be with me. This is a just see on your right hand side. There are people who create the paintings on art. Just sell it. Are you able to see? Please confirm. Please confirm. Are you able to see yes or no? Right? The paintings. No. Just refresh your screen. The screen is freezed. Others are able to see. Your screen is freezed. I'm waiting for some time. Okay. R can also make R can also play the music. Be with me. No, you are not able to see. Hello. You're not able to see the paintings. No. Oh, you're able to see. Okay. Now R can play the music. See this. There is a library tune R. It will load the package of music. Then we'll have to give the tempo. Then we'll activate the library, other libraries, notes, pitch, duration. And the birthday, we want to play the birthday, tempo, sample rate, mix sine wave, birthday, play birthday wave. Are you able to listen? Are you able to listen the? No, you are not able to listen it. Somebody is able to listen it. No, fine. It plays the birthday song. क्लास कितने की है सर? खत्म हो गया. No need to worry. I know you are very busy. You can be in touch with me. Just just scan this WhatsApp group and you will get the notification of all the workshop, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Thank you. Over to you, IBM. Thank you, Anjali ma'am, for giving me the opportunity in your esteemed organization. Please put your valuable feedback of this
Yeah, thank.
on the.
Yeah, sir, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Over to you, Anjali ma'am.
yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It's really been a pleasure uh, working with you and also having all the sessions. Thank you for always putting your best and taking amazing session. So I'm sure students would have got benefited and would have like learned today. Before, sir, also can you please explain them about the assignment which we discussed? One page or two-page assignment which they need to submit in Word document.
Yeah, so I'll be sending the data set. The first thing which you have to do is they have to create the data set, right? Same way as what we have done is social data and my data. And after that, from that only, they will have to generate the charts, nothing else, which we have done today. The same thing, nothing else.
Great. Okay. So now anyone is having doubt. Is there anyone who has doubt about the assignment, how to do it or anything? Because sir has already explained in the session itself. If you have doubt, we will share the recording with you all. You can go through it and then do the assignment. We will share a Google form for the assignment. There you can submit. And the Panshu from our team will also share the attendance link here itself. Please mark your attendance, give your feedbacks. We would be very happy to share also with Dhaval sir. How did you find today's session? Anything that you think we can improve or any feedback, please feel free to give your inputs. And please finish your learning plan by 25th of February and submit your assignments by 3rd of March. We will issue separate Google forms for both of them. Thank you, Dhaval sir. Thank you so much
Uh,
once again. Students,
yeah,
you can put
yeah.
your comments. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute, just a minute. Before all of you leave here, there is one advice which I want to give. Okay, listen carefully. Right, it is just a piece of advice over my experience of this 14 years. Data science is a very long journey, right? Any organization, any institute, or anybody who claims that you will become data scientist in 6 months, that is completely a false claim. Okay? Are you all listening? Say yes in the chat box. Please say yes in the chat box. Are you all listening to my advice? Please don't invest or please don't pay any fee like 6 lakhs or 7 lakhs to any organization in which you are not aware about the syllabi, right? Self-learning is a best learning. Okay, you cannot become data scientist or a machine learning expert within 6 months. It will at least take 2 or 3 years to understand the concepts. Then you will have to understand the softwares. So it's a long journey. Be very careful in whichever organization you go for learning all these things. So thank you, Anjali ma'am. Over to you.
I think that's very true. Thank you so much, sir, for adding that. Also, sir, one student is asking that the data set, which data set they have to work on.
They have to create the data set on their own. I'll send you just a minute. I'm sharing a screen. Wait a minute. I'll send
Okay.
the just a minute. Just a minute.
Sure. Meanwhile, students, you can put your comments here also in the chat. How did you find today's session and sir's
Yeah, how
teaching?
was the session?
Yeah, it would be
Put
great to
your
hear from you all. So for today, no need to put any activity screenshot in the attendance form. You can ignore that. Okay, there is one comment from Dibya who said, got to learn a lot. It was really good. Thank you. Thank you, Dibya. Yeah, thanks to
See,
Dhaval
now
sir.
this is an assignment. Okay. Now we have what is your success when you are able to create this type of data frame, right? In this is your success. So this is your assignment. First, create the data frame and create the graph of weight and blood pressure, or rather, yeah, weight and blood pressure, what we have done already, but these are the new variables, and create a stacked bar chart between smoking and tumor, this and this. So we have done it. You have to only, there is only the change in the variable, nothing else.
Sir, where,
Okay,
where
I'll
have
send
you
this.
submitted this? Uh, Shown this data?
They have to submit it in the Word file.
Okay,
Okay,
okay. No,
you
now you
can
were
call.
sharing something. I'm sorry to interrupt you, sir, but did you share something just now?
Yeah, here it is. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, now it is visible. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. See, this is the data frame which they have to create with the help of command line. I already explained how you can create the data frame. After this is done, you will
Sir,
have to create, you will have to, huh,
sorry to
not visible?
interrupt. No, sir. It is just showing Dr. Dhaval Mehta has started screen sharing. But
Wait a minute.
yeah,
Is it showing? Is it showing? Just confirm.
no, sir.
Let me share it again.
Yeah, sure.
Is it available now? Is it screen showing?
Yes, now it's visible.
See, this is the data frame which you will have to create in R. I already explained. So the first is please write the command to create a data frame in R. Next is plot the graph between weight and blood pressure. So this is weight and blood pressure. You have to graph it. The next is create the bar plot of smoking and tumor. This is this part. And I have explained both the things. I send this thing to Anjali ma'am and she will forward it to you, and you have to submit the assignment in Word format, right? So how you can submit in Word format? You take the screenshot of it. Okay, just press print screen and just submit it. Okay, so thank you, Anjali
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You can share this document with us. We'll share with all the students. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for an amazing session. Thank you, all the students, for learning and being attentive. We have next masterclass on 29th of February by Dhaval sir, which would be at 3:30 p.m. Make yourself available and attend that session. I'm sure that will also be very good session. So till then, do work. You can go through this same session, listen to the recording again, and also finish the learning plan on time. Thank you once again, everyone. Thank you so much also to Dipanshu from my team for coordinating so well. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next session.